Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to fix SOS mode on iPhone instantly. For that just open your control center, swipe down from the top right, and then you will see this aeroplane sign. Press that and your aeroplane mode will be turned on, and after 15 seconds, let's just wait for 15 seconds and just tap it again, and your flight will and your aeroplane will and then your aeroplane mode will be off. And if that worked, that's fine, but if it didn't help you out, just go and force restart your mobile phone like that. And also if that didn't help you out, then turn on cellular data and then off. Go to your settings and there toggle off cellular data and back on. And that's how you can fix your SOS mode on iPhone instantly. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.